Today we are going to focus on the same skill, connecting standard algorithm to area models, only we are going to be doing 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this example. And there's another video after this, so I'm just going to do one video and then you'll see another one after. So let's just do 25 times 37, okay? And so two different factors, both are 2-digit numbers, okay? And so I'm going to show you the way that the next video you'll see does it. They take the 5 and the 7, and they make an area model like this down here, okay? A rectangle. And they take the 5 and the 7, the single digits. They know you're going to be doing 7 times 5 first if you would do standard algorithm. So they're taking the single digits in the ones place, okay? And they put them here. So we'll put the 5 here. And then let's just focus on 25 first. So they break it up, 25 up, and they take the 5 first because it's the smaller, the ones digit. And then they put the 20 over here. And he talks about making the box for the 20 bigger because 20 is a bigger number than 5, okay? But together you would see that 20 and 5 would make your 25, okay? And now I do the same with the next number. The next factor is 37. So again, he put the 7 first, so puts the 7 here and the 30 here. So together it makes 37. But he sets it up that way, okay? And I liked that because then pretend you're multiplying standard algorithm now. Pretend you're just doing this. The first thing you would do is 7 times 5. And so right here, you can see 7 times 5, okay? And 7 times 5 is 35. We'll do it here. 7 times 5 is 35. And the reason I put the 3 on top is it's 35. This is in the tens place, okay? So next, I would do 7 times, now I say 7 times 2 a lot when we do this, but really that 2 is in the tens place. So really its worth, its value is 20. So 7 times 20 is really what you're doing, okay? So let's do it down here, 7 times 20. Well, 7 times 2 is 14 with a 0, okay? Here, 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17. You add in these 3. So 17, okay? And if you look, add this row up, 35 plus 140, and you get 175. So seeing how this and this are connected. Okay, and let's look at the next part. So next, when we do the standard algorithm, we talk actually about calling this, normally it's a 30 because it's in the tens place, but we like to just call it a 3. So we always talk about putting a placeholder 0. A lot of the students in my class even put a happy face to remember it. Like I'm happy I remembered that now I can call that a 3 instead of a 30, okay? So really then after that, what you would be multiplying here is 3 times 5. But remember, really it was 30 times 5. Well, look here. Look what you have to do. 30 times 5. Well, the 3 times the 5 is 15 plus a 0, so 150, okay? And now here, so 3 times 5 was 15. 1 up here, 5 down here. Okay, next on the standard algorithm, I would have had 30 times 20. Well, look what you have here, 30 times 20. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And here, 3 times 2 is 6 with 2 zeros. Okay, and add this row up, and you would get 600 plus 100 is 750. The same thing you got here. These are called, they have a special name, and a lot of you are familiar with this already. It's called partial products. Partial, I see the word part in it. It's part of the product or the answer, okay? So if it's part of the answer, I've got part of the answer and part of the answer, I have to add it up. Or here, I've got part of the answer and part of the answer, I've got to add it up, okay? And when I add these up, 5 plus 0 is 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9. I get 925, and I can confirm that here. So I get 5, I get 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7, 8, 9. I get 925. So my full product, the area inside of this, is 925. When I go ahead and use my standard algorithm, I also got 925. So this is really two great ways. So method number 1 being standard algorithm, and method number 2 being using an area model to solve 2-digit by 2-digit problems. Go ahead and watch the next video. It's not a long one, and you'll just see somebody else. It's not me, but this guy moves through it really quick. Just one more example before you get on to your own work.